Hi, I am Marcelina Serrano and study psychology in the UNAT in the city of Cali. You need to see this wonderful place. This is the hill of San Antonio. Look at south of Cali. It's a Catholic church and also cloisters. Built in the 1747 on land donated by Francisco Garces Aguilar. It's a very tourist place. It's very nice for beautiful view. From there you can see World City. This is just the old Cali with this is clay tiles for roads. In the modern Cali with the tall buildings. It's a space for everyone. During day and night, there are many attractions. Are the storytelling. They are very, very funny. I just go in the morning and I love it. By the night, the light, the atmosphere is bohemian and romance is built. When you come to Cali, let yourself fall in love this beautiful place. Thank you very much.